Okay, so this is the Walkera X350. It's a drone quadcopter, and we're just having a bit of a box opening video here. This is the drone itself. Obviously it needs to be assembled. So that's that. Then what we've got here are the legs. There's some sort of electronic connector on there. I don't know what that's for yet, but I'll soon find out. And we've got, and this is what I'm quite impressed about actually, a spare set of propellers. Pretty cool. This is the battery. I'm not sure what that's for, but again, I'm pretty sure I'll soon find out. Oh, that probably goes in the battery, and that probably connects to the drone, I would imagine. But we'll see in any case. Again, don't know what that is, but this is the Devo 7 controller. No, it's different from the Devo F7. It just has an LCD screen as opposed to the screen where you can use the first person view, and it takes AA batteries, 4 of them. It's quite a bulky, hefty controller, if I'm honest with you. And then various screws, plugs, and Allen keys. This is the battery charger. Comes with a foreign plug, not for UK, so I've had to go out and buy a tourist adapter for, well, basically so it'll plug into the Great Britain plug sockets. And that's it. Got instructions here as well. There's a CD. Don't know what that's for. What I've also additionally bought is this here. It's a GoPro mount. Just basically so you can sit the GoPro camera on the bottom of your drone and you can film wherever you're going. It's got instructions and a few fixing points as well. So there it is. Pretty cool, pretty excited to get it up and running. So now I guess starts the task of actually putting it all together, and I want to make sure I do it correct as well. Okay, thanks for watching.